step one, I gotta let it dry because the way I bent it. And then start turning. I don't know where I'm going. I'll probably come to here maybe. Bend it back, it depends, but yep. I didn't glue this down yet, but that's next. And then, where the fuck is my piece of piping? I was trying to bring it through there, but that's gonna be too much piping. So what I'm gonna do is put an elbow here, boom, and then cut it, and then go through there, and then my pressure washer will be right there. Boom. And another problem I'm gonna have is my air compressor is hitting this. So I'm probably gonna have to put my generator here and put my air compressor over there. Small problem, but that's what I'm probably gonna have to do. But yeah, it's looking all right. I'll come back tomorrow and finish this. I gotta get some more elbows. And I did 1-inch piping to get more water flow. It was gonna be 3/4, but did 1 inch so we get more water flow. Alright guys, let me show you guys what I'm building. Yeah, I don't play around. Show you guys this. We're almost done here. Okay, final setup show. Got room there, off and on. This has to dry, obviously.